guys, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Blessing Chamako of Macari's Cakes and Pastries. So guys, today we're talking about how to make lemon cake, right? But before that, I really want to appreciate you all my subscribers. Like I've got 300 or like over 300 subscribers in probably less than a week. So and I really appreciate all of you. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for sticking around with me. It's been amazing having you guys around my YouTube channel. Okay, so guys, thank you so much. Please don't forget to always subscribe, share my videos to your group members, to your family, to your friends, for them to keep watching this video all the time, because trust me, all my videos are what's actually valuable. Like I got so much value on my videos. So guys, back to the business of today. We're talking about how to make lemon cake. Lemon cake is an amazing cake. It's beautiful, it's tasty, it's yummified in and out. And if you want to actually put with fillings, you can actually use lemon curd for fillings. But in this video, I didn't really talk about how to make lemon curd. I just really talked about how to make the plain lemon cake. Okay, so guys, do you want to see how I got to do my lemon cake? Then let's get started, guys.